I think what makes Gigabot 3 Plus such an extraordinary machine is the cost to size ratio. It decimates the cost and scale barriers in the world of large-scale industrial 3D printing. It has a build volume starting at 30 times larger than your desktop machine and at a price tag starting at less than $10,000, making it one of the most affordable 3D printers on the market for its size. My name is Matthew Fiedler and I'm co-founder and CTO for Re3D. We're here today in Houston, Texas at our factory and headquarters. I'd love to introduce you today to two of the finest fused filament fabrication printers available on the market. So on one side I have the Gigabot 3 Plus, which gives us a 24-inch by 24-inch by 24-inch build volume. It's shown here outfitted with the full enclosure. And on my other side, I have the XLT, which is a 24 by 30 by 36-inch build volume. 7 years of design and engineering have gone into these machines. We have a full machine shop in our factory in Houston, Texas. We manufacture and assemble our components in-house. They go through a rigorous quality control process and are checked at multiple steps along the way. Built into every Gigabot from the frame up is a high level of quality as well as a deep sense of commitment to the product. These machines can print for days or weeks at a time without stopping. Every component has to be thought about. So we have wires that are rated to 1 million cycles of bending in all of our cable carriers, all the way down to our bed system. The bed is Blanchard ground flat within 3 to 5 thousandths, giving us a nice pristine flat print surface. And the whole architecture of the Z-axis is made to have a capability to lift up to 100 pounds, which is way more than you would probably need, but that ensures the precision and the reliability in that movement. As we look at the motion components we used in our machine, high torque NEMA 17 motors, over 100 ounce-inch of torque, driving high quality Gates belting that will never wear out, high quality bearings used throughout the machine, aluminum structure that's machined in-house to high tolerance and precision, gives us a very rigid, robust frame, which is key importance in getting high quality prints. And a machine this size needs to be portable and easily moved, so we're sitting on 4 casters so you can move this machine around your shop easily. What's really great about the Gigabot line of machines is not only the open source technology, but we are material agnostic as well. It's a key differentiator on these fused filament fabrication machines that you have a choice of materials. So you can run everything from the PLA to the ABS to the nylons to PETs. As long as you can provide it in a 1.75 or 2.85 millimeter, we can run it on this machine. As the material travels up to the print head, we're focused on really the business end of the machine. This has to function well or nothing will work. 3D printing is about consistency, and it's about doing the same thing time after time after time. High quality components have been engineered into the design of the filament feed system. All the way down to the all metal hot end gives you high print temperatures for those good engineering grade materials, the polycarbonates, the nylons, etc. You have a choice of different printing hot ends as well. Nozzle sizes range from 0.25 millimeters all the way up to 0.8 millimeters with our high flow Mondo hot end. And you have a choice of hardened steel nozzles, which are really great for your abrasive plastics. Changing filaments on Gigabot is easy when you have a thumb release system on your extruder. You can remove the tube, release the thumb release, pull out the filament, insert the next one, and you're ready to go. Some of your print jobs can be pretty big. We have filament detection so that if you run out of material, the machine will pause, it'll wait for you to reload the filament, and you can resume your print right where you left off. We use Simplify 3D, we really like the product, but you have choices. You can use other platforms, other softwares to do your slicing and printing. Simplify 3D does give you some great features like ditto printing. Because we have a dual extruder setup, you can print 2 objects at the same time. They can be mirror images or they can be the same. Our user interface allows you to control every function of the machine. You can speed things up, slow them down, adjust temperatures on the fly if required. You have full control over all of the heating, cooling, machine movement, all directly through the user interface. Our electronics control system is encased in a metal enclosure for the ultimate protection. It's a NEMA rated enclosure. All of our electronics are UL or CE certified. All of our wiring is meticulously laid out. Our control board, really the heart of the machine, is the Aztec X3 Pro, which gives full power to the whole system. All of our proper wire routing, we use the Panduit cable routing throughout the machine. One of the features you should really consider with your Gigabot 3 Plus is the full polycarbonate enclosure. It's so important to have proper temperatures for your printing process when you're doing those high-strength engineering grade materials. All of the hood panels are easily removable with our magnetic latch system that gives you great access to all the interior components of your machine. The front door folds down to give you great access to the inside. You can remove your full-size prints right off of this heated bed plate that reaches more than 100 degrees Celsius, and on top you can see the Print and Z surface that we use. As we know, the 3D printing technology is evolving very quickly. The machine we started out with 7 years ago is not the same machine we have here. As we've updated the machine, we've allowed you to upgrade, and those upgrade kits can bolt on. So whether it's the print head or the electronics or other features, as the technology evolves, we're right there with you. The platform never expires. The customers that really love our machines span across education, art, design, architecture, engineering, manufacturing, science. Re3D is dedicated to its community and to its customers. It doesn't stop with the sale. We're here to back you up. We have lifetime customer support. As long as you own the machine, we're here for you. I love to recommend Gigabot to customers who are looking for the highest quality machine built and assembled in America using the highest quality components, allowing them to print huge. You can get your Gigabot either as a DIY kit or as a fully assembled machine in sizes starting at 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot cube and going larger from there.